Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to set images and links in your website. Images can be inserted into HTML page by using image tag. It is an empty tag as it does not have any closing tags. The possible attributes for this image tag are source, alternate, border, width, and height. Now let's see how this image tag works. Now create a basic HTML document. Head tag, and I am giving title as images and links. And now in body tag, I am using image tag, and now in source we have to give the path of the image. Now here I have saved a nature photo. I am giving the path as, let's see, open the live server and let's see how it looks. Now we can adjust the size by giving height and width. I'm giving width as 200 pixel and height as 200 pixel. Save the file and look into the browser. This is how it appears, and now if we want we can give border too. I am giving it as 20 pixel. Saving the file and let's see. You can see the border here. Now alternate attribute is used when the image is not in this corresponding file. Suppose I'm not giving the source. Now save the file and look into the browser. You are getting this. To avoid this, we should give a name. Save the file. Remove this height, width and border. You can see the message. Now let us see how to set links in your web pages. A website consists of multiple web pages. Generally, web pages need to be linked with one another to make it navigable. To link web pages, anchor element is used and it is defined as a tag. And the syntax for this is target and the text. Here, the href specifies the URL of the web page to be linked, and the target will have a value. And this value specifies where to open the linked web page. Now let us see how this anchor element works. I am removing the image tag and giving an anchor element. For example, now I am giving W3 schools link and giving text as W3 schools. Save the file. And look into the browser. Now, if we give target will have two values. One is blank and one is self. If we give target as blank, linked resource will open in the new window, and if we give target as self, the linked resource will open in the current window. Now I am giving blank. It will open in the new window. I am closing this and changing target value to self. Now this link will open in the current window. This is how we set links and images to your websites. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you have any doubts, comment below and subscribe to my channel.